The universe is vast, with billions of galaxies and trillions of stars. Yet, as far as we know, Earth is the only place teeming with life. Why is that? Why do all the other planets in our solar system look like desolate, dead wastelands? To understand this, we have to look at the Goldilocks Zone. This is the perfect distance from a star where it's not too hot and not too cold for liquid water to exist. Venus is too close to the Sun, making it a hellish oven with temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Mars, on the other hand, is a frozen desert with an atmosphere so thin that liquid water would evaporate instantly. But it's not just about distance. A planet needs a protective shield, a magnetic field. Without it, solar winds would strip away the atmosphere, just like what happened to Mars billions of years ago. Without an atmosphere, there is no protection from deadly cosmic radiation. Then there's the chemical recipe. Life needs a stable source of energy and the right building blocks like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn are made of swirling storms and crushing pressure, with no solid surface to even stand on. Earth is a cosmic miracle. We have the perfect shield, the perfect temperature, and the perfect chemistry. While we continue to search for life on distant moons like Europa or Enceladus, for now we are all alone in the vast silence of space. This makes our home incredibly special. We aren't just living on a planet, we are living on a masterpiece of cosmic balance. To explore more secrets of our universe, subscribe to Planet Snaps. Let's keep looking at the stars together.